Every day I have new students asking me how to tune a guitar with a Floyd Rose Bridge. I know it can be tricky, I had problems with it too, until I learned it properly. But don't worry, after watching this video, you will become a pro at tuning this thing. This is the third and final video of the tuning series. In the first lesson I showed how to tune by ear, and the second one I covered using an electronic tuner. If you haven't watched the previous videos, I suggest you pause this one and check out the earlier ones. It's crucial to understand how I'm doing it. I will leave the links in the description. I'm Rod Rodriguez, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all the new videos notifications. Okay, I'm still using the app. It's right here. Okay, let's see how it sounds now. The top string, tuning the first one, plus 1, 2. There we go. And the next one, it's the A string, plus 3. Turning down. There we go. Good. Next one, plus 2. Turn down. Next one is the G string, plus 3, turn down. There we go. And then second string, plus 2, turn down. Oops, here. There we go. And the first string, E string. Great. Now lock it and repeat the same process by tuning the tuners on the bridge. Why do I need to tune it twice? Generally, after locking it, the strings get a bit out of tune. When I mention tuning it again, it's just to ensure all the strings are in the right tuning. Next one. The next one. Those tuners. Okay? So the same thing on the app. The top string. As I mentioned before, can you see? I locked the strings. Now it shows plus 3, plus 2. Okay, so we have to turn that guy there. Just really easy. Just a little more. Great. Next one, A. Plus 2. Perfect. Oops. Almost perfect. Here we go. Next one is the D string. Plus 2. Turn down. Here we go. Next, G string. That's good. Next one. D. I'll turn a little bit. Perfect. There we go. And the first string, E. Also pretty good. That's it. Another crucial point is that any electric tuner or app tunes based on pitch. What does that mean? The tuner or app recognizes the note you are playing, whether it's an open string or not. It doesn't know which string you are playing. It identifies the pitch. For instance, the first open string is the E note, and that E note can be played on the 5th fret of the second string. So when you play this note on a second string, the app or tuner will recognize the pitch as the first open string. This is one of the reasons why you need to know the names of the open strings. Trying to tune your guitar without knowing them can be a disaster. It's easy, right? Just make sure to do it every time before you practice. Find links to the next lessons on the screen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about me, my private lessons, or my online courses, please visit my website at www.rodrodriguez.net. Thank you for watching and see you next time.